we're excited to launch a bunch of new tools that make it easy for developers to build reliable and useful agents.
OpenAI is launching a new set of APIs and tools that will help developers and businesses create AI-powered agents more easily. These tools are based on the same technology that runs OpenAI's own AI agents, like Deep Research, which searches the internet to create detailed and well-organized reports, and Operator, which can control a web browser based on what a user types, helping with tasks like finding sports tickets or making reservations. Now that developers can use the technology behind these strong OpenAI agents, they can create their own competing products or services that are tailored to specific needs and audiences. Beyond the quest for constant technology innovation, it is necessary to know the real reason behind this new launch. Let's find out. The real reason for OpenAI's new tools. OpenAI has made some really cool advancements in reasoning, handling different types of information, and improving safety features, especially with their O family of reasoning models, which includes O1 and O3. Olivier Godemont, who leads product development at OpenAI, recently explained the importance of reasoning models in making AI agents more effective. He pointed out that one of the biggest difficulties in the past was handling long-term tasks, such as planning. These challenges made it harder for AI to work smoothly in complex situations. By improving reasoning models, OpenAI aims to help AI agents think more logically and manage tasks that require careful decision-making over time. This improvement is expected to make AI-powered systems more reliable and capable of handling real-world applications more efficiently. However, the company has noted that developers didn't have the right tools to easily create applications for businesses and their customers until now. So with the new launching, it is pleasing to say that OpenAI is introducing new tools to help with the developers' challenges. These tools include the Responses API, built-in features for searching the web and files, a computer usage tool, and the open source Agents SDK. The Responses API lets developers create agents using OpenAI's technology, while the Agents SDK connects these agents to other web tools and processes, allowing them to handle tasks that users or businesses need on their own. These new tools are meant to simplify the development of AI agents by reducing the need for complicated prompt engineering and custom setups. They should also inspire more developers to continue building on OpenAI's platform, even as competition grows from companies like Manus, Alibaba's Qwen, DeepSeek, and other competitors like Anthropic and Google. Even though other companies provide developer tools and products, OpenAI's constantly improving developer platform makes it tough to compete with. It's a great choice for anyone wanting to use the newest AI technology in a simple, quick, and budget-friendly way. Examining the effects of agents. SDK OpenAI has decided to make a big return to open-source development by introducing the Agents SDK. This is a special toolkit created to help developers manage and improve how AI agents work. One of the most exciting parts of this new release is that it allows developers to use different AI models, not just those made by OpenAI. They can also integrate models from other companies like Anthropic and Google, as well as open-source models from DeepSeek, Qwen, Mistral, and Meta's Llama family. The goal of the Agents SDK is to give businesses and developers the freedom to choose the models that best suit their needs instead of being limited to OpenAI's technology. The toolkit comes with several useful features to make AI agents work better. One key feature is the ability to set up AI models with specific instructions and tools so they can perform tasks more effectively. Another feature ensures that tasks can smoothly transfer between different AI agents based on the situation, allowing for a more organized and efficient workflow. To make sure AI agents operate safely and responsibly, the SDK includes built-in safety measures. These help check inputs, filter content, and prevent potential risks. Additionally, developers will have access to tools that allow them to monitor, track, and optimize how AI agents perform. This means they can see exactly what an agent is doing, what tasks it creates, what kind of data it collects, and how it generates responses. With this release, OpenAI is making it easier for developers to work with AI in a more flexible and controlled way. The new SDK provides a clear and transparent system for tracking AI behavior, helping developers build smarter, safer, and more efficient AI applications. What to expect from the new OpenAI API? OpenAI has introduced the Responses API as a key part of its latest update. This new API combines features from the existing Chat Completions API with the tool use capabilities of the Assistance API. However, the company has announced that the Assistance API will no longer be available after mid-2026. By bringing these features together, OpenAI aims to make it easier for developers to build applications that require complex and multi-step interactions. One of the major advantages of the Responses API is that it allows developers to use multiple built-in tools within a single request. This means AI models can complete tasks more efficiently without needing multiple separate API calls. At launch, the API includes 3 main tools, but we'll still come to that. A major benefit of this new API is that it gives developers more insight into how the AI model works. They can see which tools the model is using, the reasons behind those choices, and how decisions are made before and after using those tools. OpenAI believes this API will become a strong foundation for AI-powered applications, reducing the need for multiple external systems. The Responses API is now available for all developers, and its usage will follow OpenAI's standard pricing for tokens and tool access. While the Chat Completions API will continue to receive updates, OpenAI considers the Responses API to be its more advanced version. Developers who need built-in tools and multi-step AI interactions are encouraged to use the Responses API for future projects. OpenAI is expanding the capabilities of its Responses API by making 3 important tools available. These tools are web search, file search, and computer use. These tools are designed to help AI agents access real-world information, gather details from documents, and interact with digital environments more effectively. By integrating these features, OpenAI aims to make AI models more useful for a wide range of applications. The web search tool is a major addition, allowing AI to find real-time information from the internet. This feature is especially useful for applications like research assistants, shopping guides, and content collection platforms. One of the key benefits of this tool is that it provides sources for its responses, ensuring that users can verify the accuracy of the information. OpenAI has confirmed that the search results will include clear citations, allowing users to click on links and explore the original sources themselves. Developers can use this tool as part of a larger retrieval system that may also include their own private data sources. Another important tool in the update is file search, which helps AI quickly find relevant details from large document collections. This tool is designed to support multiple file formats and comes with advanced features like query optimization, metadata filtering, and custom ranking. These features allow AI to retrieve information more accurately and efficiently. To make it more advanced, OpenAI has introduced a pricing model for this tool, charging $2.50 per 1,000 searches, with a small storage fee of $0.10 per gigabyte per day. However, the first gigabyte of storage is provided for free. The third tool being introduced is the Computer Use tool, which takes AI capabilities beyond just processing text. This feature enables AI agents to interact with computer systems directly by performing actions like entering data and navigating software interfaces. It is powered by OpenAI's Computer Using Agent model, which translates AI-generated instructions into actual commands that can be executed on a computer. This makes it possible for AI to handle tasks where no existing API is available, allowing for greater automation and flexibility in digital workflows. OpenAI's expanded capabilities. By introducing these tools, OpenAI is making AI more powerful and accessible for developers. These additions allow AI agents to work more effectively, whether by gathering up-to-date information from the web, searching through large document databases, or performing actions on a computer. This update provides developers with more options to build smarter and more interactive AI-driven applications. The Computer Use tool is currently being tested and is only available to select developers in higher usage tiers. OpenAI has set its pricing at $3 for every million input tokens and $12 for every million output tokens. For businesses and technology leaders, these new tools offer a practical way to improve and automate AI-driven processes without needing to build custom solutions from scratch. IT managers, chief technology officers, and mid-level managers can take advantage of these features to make their workflows more efficient. The built-in web search and file search tools allow companies to easily integrate AI-powered information retrieval into their existing systems. Meanwhile, the computer use tool helps automate tasks within older applications that do not have direct API access, making it easier for AI to interact with them. OpenAI's open source agents SDK provides businesses with even more control over AI workflows. With this toolkit, organizations can better coordinate AI-driven processes across different teams. This is especially useful for areas like customer support, document management, and market research, where AI can handle repetitive tasks more efficiently. These tools also come with built-in security and monitoring features, giving companies better visibility and control over AI operations. This ensures that businesses can maintain security, follow regulations, and monitor performance while using AI at a larger scale. OpenAI considers these new releases as just the beginning of a much larger plan. The company intends to introduce even more tools and integrations in the future to help developers build, test, and expand AI-driven applications more effectively. OpenAI has already seen success with its own AI agents, such as deep research, but believes that developers will play a major role in creating many different types of AI-powered agents. To make AI applications safer, OpenAI is also working on improving security features. This includes adding protections against prompt injections and preventing unauthorized access to data. Developers who are interested in using these new tools can explore OpenAI's documentation and API playground to start building with them right away. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.